Hey all, my name is Dr. Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is talk to you all about the ultimate business plan template. When you are going to start a business, or if you already started a business and you're in operations, inevitably you are going to come to a point where you're going to need a business plan, whether it be for funding purposes or just to get your thoughts and ideas in order. Doesn't matter why you need the business plan, that decision is going to inevitably come to you. So when that happens, you're going to have two choices. You're going to be able to either write your own business plan or you're going to hire somebody to do it. If you choose to write your own business plan, well, you got another two options. First, you can go ahead and start from scratch, or you can go ahead and use an industry-specific business plan. In my most humble of opinions, the best way to go if you're going to write it yourself is start with an industry-specific business plan template, and there's a few reasons for it. First, an industry-specific business plan template is going to include your industry research. Going out there and doing the industry research, you're going to be looking at a multitude of web pages and you're going to be looking at different companies, and it's going to take a long time in order to do proper industry research. And you have to be able to write it up and then structure it appropriately, whereas if you get an industry-specific template, that's already going to be done for you. Next is going to be your financial model. If you start a business for a bakery or a business for a construction company, your financial models are going to be completely different. I promise you they are. If you get a business plan template that's industry specific, your financial model is going to be structured for the industry as well. And then finally, company description. Let's say again, you're going to go ahead and start a sandwich shop. And most sandwich shops, well, they're going to provide the same services. It's going to be sandwiches. Now, obviously, the sandwiches are going to be different. You might have sandwiches, you might have some soups, you might go healthy, you might not go healthy, who knows? But the business model is going to be the same. If you get an industry-specific business plan template, the company description is going to be there for you, and all you have to do is now modify it. All right, also, tutorials. If you get a quality business plan template, there should be tutorials available. Even if it's easy, most people don't know how to write a company description. Most people don't know what their target market is. Most people don't know how to use a financial model. If you have tutorials available, well, guess what? All you do is you watch a video, and it's going to give you enough information to be able to use this industry-specific template appropriately. And then finally, make sure it's easy to use. If you've got a business plan template and it's 70,000 pages long and it's super complex and it's using jargon in there that you have no idea what it means, and you've got to look up every word, in a sentence, that's going to take you way too long. You might as well just write the darn thing yourself. So make sure it's easy to use. All right, and then hopefully this information was helpful. And if you need a business plan template that is industry specific, check out my website. All right, hopefully this information was helpful, and have a great day. Thanks.